This conference will now be recorded.
So once again, good morning everyone. Last class we discussed Python, string operations, list, we discussed a tuple and dictionary tuples. Today we are going to discuss about the dictionary. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about the dictionaries. Dictionaries, okay. Now, so here dictionary we have to represent in terms of key comma value pairs. Example, dict1 equal to 1 colon Sunday 2 colon Monday. Like this we can define. Okay. So if you want to access, this is the dictionary. If you want to access the value using key, we can access. Using key we can access. There is a predefined functions, guys. Okay. So here if you observe the type of the variable, now on top of this one, whatever the predefined methods are there, these are all the methods. Okay. So here couple of methods, dict1. Okay. Now this one, dict1 dot keys. Okay. It is going to give you list of keys. Dict1 dot values, which is going to give you list of values. In the dictionary, dot keys is going to give you list of keys. Dot values is going to give you list of values. I want to add an element to the dictionary. So one way is we can use like this. This is one way to add an element to the dictionary. Another way is we can use update. So here we can use key comma value pair like this.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, sir, you have used a square bracket. So will it become a list like?
Okay, got it. Let me explain your doubt. So here you can see, guys, here as I told you, string we have to use single quote. Okay. To access the position of the string, we can use square bracket. Similar way, list we can declare like this. To access the particular element of the list, we can use index position like this. Similar way, tuple also. So to access the particular position of this one, we can use this one. Similar way, we are having a dictionary like this. To access the value using key we can access, then we have to use dictionary like this. Sorry. So, clear?
Yeah, thank you, sir.
So general people are getting confused here. Okay. Now there is update method. Using this update we can, okay, now add an element to the dictionary. Dict1. Okay. Now here, if you want to do operation on these values, okay, we can use key comma value pair using this one, dict1 dot items, which is going to give you key comma value pair, which is going to give you key comma value pair. Okay. So last classes I told you, when you have a list of, for suppose I am having a list of values like this. Okay. So list of values, for suppose, so if you have a key comma value pair, we can access like this. For key comma value in list, print name is. Okay. So a pair of values in the list we can access like this, a pair of elements. Similar way, this items is also having a pair of values. Okay. Now I'm going to access this one like this. Okay. Like this, we can use a key comma value pair. Okay. Now in Python, there is a
So
pre.
in
Yeah.
dictionary, it's not only that colon. We can use comma also as a separator between the key and key comma value.
Okay. So
Sometimes we use colon. We can use comma also, is it?
no. Okay, I
Between the
got
key
your.
and value.
Okay, okay, I got your question. So what he is asking is, okay, dict2 equal to. So instead of colon, can I use anything? Okay, he is asking this question. So it is going to throw error. Okay, make sure it has to be colon only. It has to be colon only. Okay, it has to be colon only.
But in line number 14, you have defined with commas. Is it
Okay, this is out items. So when you
okay? Okay,
give the items, okay, the output is this one.
got it, got it, got it. Yeah,
Okay,
thanks.
yeah. Now I want output like this. Okay, I want output like this. Enter number of players, 2. Enter player name. Okay, enter score, enter player name. Okay, enter score. Now I want output like this. Players details. Okay, Kohli colon 90. Okay, Rohit colon 93. I want output like this. Okay, for this I am going to write a program n equal to input of enter number of players. So I am going to convert it into integer. For I in range of n, I am going to prepare a dictionary players details. So print I value. I is, for suppose observe here, 2, 0 comma 1. If I is 3, 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 0 comma 1 comma 2. So based on this I value it is going to increment. Now what I am going to do is, instead of printing I am going to enter the person player name. Player score. So each player I am going to add here. Players details. Okay, I am entering two players, player name, score, player name, score, players details. Okay, so this is the way we can. Now,
Do you increase your screen size?
actually here
See,
in the
because I
GoToMeeting,
was not able, yeah, I was not able to understand after
here
this one.
there is a toggle full screen. Can you click this one in the settings? You can see toggle full screen
Uh, okay, sir.
or switch to desktop. You can click this one.
Okay, okay, print.
Okay, now,
Srinivas,
yeah,
I have a doubt. Like, you have given one assignment, string equals to welcome to Python world something. So in that
okay.
we have to find e index and we have to append that into list. So I'm not getting how to do it. I tried multiple times, but I can't do it.
Okay. See, at the end I will explain. Okay,
Okay,
at the
thank
end I will explain. Okay. Now,
So could
so
you
next time,
just
sorry.
in the first loop? Can you just say what is the third line once? You are
So
assigning
this
the
is
value. The
which one
third
here?
one. The third line. Player details. The third line in the for loop. Player
Okay,
details.
okay. Here this is the item I'm going to add it to the dictionary. I said now.
So
Okay, I will tell you
yeah.
1 second.
No, I wanted to know the operator you have used because it's not clear even when done in a full screen mode. Yeah, equal to. Okay, okay. Yeah, thank you.
Yes, remaining also facing the same thing. Okay, fine. Now, so my requirement is, okay. So first, let me tell you one more thing.
Sorry, hello. Yeah,
Yeah.
actually, in the recorded video when we are watching, it's very blur. Now it's okay. Yeah, when we are
Oh,
watching
very blur.
recorded video, it's very blur. Yeah,
Which
yeah.
one? Last session?
In last session, it was very blur actually. Okay,
Oh, okay. Let me recheck once, or
okay.
let me
Thank you.
upload again. Okay,
Sorry, thank you.
no problem. So I'm having a dictionary, guys. Observe this one. If I want to get this value using key, we can get the value. Observe here. Dict 1 of Kohli, 90. Okay. Now, so here this one, print. Print of dict 1 of, okay, Dhoni. Do we have that key? No. It is going to throw error. Key not found. Key error. Now the same thing. Observe here. Observe here. Dict 1 dot get of Kohli. Get of Kohli. Dict 1. Okay. Okay. Dict 1. Right. So here what happened is, if the key is found, it is going to return the value. It is well and good. Okay. Now the same thing observe here. It is going to return none value. So here in this case, if the key is not there, it is going to return the key error. Here if the key is there, it is going to return, if the key is not there, it is going to return the none. Here I can check if it is returning the none. If it is returning the none, means the key is not there. Okay, I can take any decisions I can take. Now the same thing observe here, -1. Okay, 100. So if the key is not there, instead of whatever the value here, it is going to print that one. Okay. Now my requirement is, so along with this one, okay, enter player to search. Okay, Kohli, player found, player found. For suppose, enter player to search. Okay, for suppose, next, okay, Dhoni, player not found. Okay. Now, so here what I'm doing is, I'm going to taking the dictionary like this. I'm going to take the dictionary like this. Now I want to enter. If dict1 dot, okay, if dict2 dot get of player name, get of get of player name -1, If value equal to minus 1 means print player not found, else print player found. So as I told you, get function, if the key is there, it is going to return the value. If the key is not there, it is going to return the minus 1. If it is minus 1, the player is not found. Player found. Player not found. Okay. So here what you have to understand is the purpose of the get. Purpose of the get is, if the key is there, it is going to return the value. If the key is not there, it is going to return minus 1. It is going to return minus 1. Okay. Now, class. Now consider I am having a dictionary. Guys, observe this one carefully. This is very confused one. So here I am having key comma value pair like this. I am having a basket. In this basket, I am having a fruits like this. Basket 3, basket 4, basket 4. Okay. Now my requirement is I want output. I want output. Okay. Apple, banana, cherry, mango, pineapple. Okay. Each fruit and it respect to baskets. First requirement clear, guys. Guys, requirement clear or not?
Yeah, it's clear. It's clear.
It's clear.
Yeah. So this is my requirement. Okay. Now what I am going to do is I have to check each and every. First, what I am going to do is I am going to check whatever the distinct fruits. Okay. Now I am going to implement this one. Okay. So this is little bit confused, guys. Okay. First, I would like to know what are the distinct fruits are there. Okay. So I am going to take one list. So first, I am going to take one list. Fruits underscore list. In this list, I want to add the distinct fruits. I want to add the distinct fruits. For item in dictionary 1 dot values print item. So dictionary dot values gives the list of values. Okay. So I am going to take each and everything. See, Go one by one. Okay. Print dictionary dot values. Will give you list of values. Print apple. What happened? So here I have not given comma. Key comma value pair, right? This is list of values. I am going to take each and every item here. Okay. Okay. Again, I am going to take each and everything here. All these items, fruits, I am going to append it to here. Okay. Among all, I want to get only unique elements. So I am going to convert this one into set. I got the unique values. I already told you, you get the unique values, you can convert a list to set. The result I want into a list, for suppose. These are all the values. Now what I'm doing is, okay, now I'm going to prepare one final. So for suppose this one, okay, for f in fruits underscore list. Now here what I'm going to do is, now I have to take each and every fruit, and in this one I have to check this one. If it is there, I want to value get this value. So to do this one, just now I told you key comma value pair items. Key comma value pair you can see here. Items is going to give you key comma value pair. So here in this case, key comma value pair means this is key and this is a value. Okay. Now take each and every fruit for k comma v in. Okay. In this items, in this dictionary one dot items, if the fruit is there in the list, then print that basket. Okay. I don't want to do all for this one. I want to check for only one iteration. Okay, break is going to stop the loop. I'm going to check only for one fruit, which is an apple. So apple related, it is going to give the list of baskets. Something here. Items. Okay, list of baskets here. So each fruit related, I want to check this one. I'm going to take list of this one. Okay. Now this thing, I want to append it to this one. So here I'm using the break, only first iteration completed, only first iteration completed, and these are all the baskets. Now here I can say, okay, here I can say print fruit comma list. I'm using break, only one fruit. Now I want to get for all this one. Simple logics. So here what I'm doing is, I'm going to check each and every fruit, and I'm going to check whether it is there in the list. Okay, I'm going to take that one. Now when do we use this kind of scenario is, okay, I have to write a automation script such a way that I am having a server details. Okay, I'm having a dev server. So there are having different people who is having access. Okay, test server, prod. I want output such a way that user one, what are the servers he is having access? Dev and prod. Okay, for user one. Similar way user two. Dev prod. User two. Okay, user three. Dev test prod. So likewise, I have given a simple environment. So in these cases, one of the example, so for one of the example, I have written the script. So this is this kind of scenario, I have written example. Okay, so take this one as assignment and try to do this one. Similar way, same code only. Okay, I already explained one more example. This one. Okay, how many times each character is present? Okay, so how many times each character is present, guys? This is very important. I already explained. Okay, I'm going to explain again. I'm going to explain again. Okay. Now, here I'm going to take an empty dictionary, take each and every character. I'm going to check if the character is present in the dictionary. If it is equal to none, the character is not there. I'm going to add the character to the dictionary. If the character is there, okay, I want to increment the value. Means S is 2 times, I is 2 times. If the character is there, whatever the character value, okay, first I'm going, if the character is already exist, it is going to return 1. Then I'm going to increment one more, means 2, assigning to the same variable. Then print dict1. Okay. So this is one more important, guys. Most of the interviews people are asking this question. Okay. Now let me take one example.
Can you explain the line dict1 dot get I is equals to none? What is that?
So here,
Above that,
okay, yeah,
dict1 dot get I is equals to none. Yeah.
yeah, okay, got it. First time dict1 equal to empty, okay, I equal to character yes. Dict1 dot get of I, okay. So here print none. Means if it is none, the character is not there. For suppose the character is already there with value 1. Okay. Now here this value, this is failed it is going to here dict1 of yes 1, 1 plus 1 2, next time next value it is 2. Shall I repeat again?
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah.
Shall I repeat again or not required?
Repeat, sir.
Okay, consider str1 equal to book, dict1 equal to, see here what you have, first thing is what you have to understand is, for suppose this one, get function purpose, dict1 dot get of a, if the key is there it is going to return the value, if the key is there it is going to return the value. Now dict1 of b, do we have the key? Do we have the key? No,
No.
it is going to return none value. Means if it is returning none value it is not there, if it is returning none value it is not there. So first time I'm getting a s character. If the s character is already there, no, it is going to return the null value. So first time I'm going to insert a s character with 1, s character with 1. Next time, okay, again s character we have. Okay, now, so this is carefully you have to remember, if the key is there it is going to return the value, if the key is not there it is going to return none value. I'm having str1 equal to book. Okay, now I'm having a dictionary. First time i value boy. I am going to check dictionary1 dot get of I equal to none. This condition is true or false?
Yeah, none is true. Yeah.
So first time it is okay. This condition is true. If it is true, I am going to assigning to the 1. So the value will be in the dictionary contains b colon 1. Next iteration I value o, dictionary1 dot get of I equal to none. This condition is true or false? So here it is having only dictionary is this one. The o character is not there. It is going to assigned with 1. It is going to assigned with 1. The dictionary will become like this. The dictionary will become like this. Now, next time I value oh, okay. I am going to check dict1 dot get of I equal to none. This condition is true or false?
False.
False. If it is false, I am going to dictionary of I. Dictionary 1 of I is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. So I am going to assign the dictionary of O equal to 2. So then it will become this one, clear or not? Here the condition is fail. Whatever the O value, I am going to take 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Now, next time I value K. Dictionary of get of I. So here it is going to ascending to 1. I'm going to ascending it to the 1. Okay. Now clear
Yeah,
or not?
got it. Thank you, sir. Yeah, clear
Yeah,
now.
clear.
Thank you.
Guys, this is very important. Multiple interviews people are asking this question, guys. Okay, multiple interviews people are asking this question. So carefully remember this one.
Should we solve this? I mean, you can use the normal string also, right? Instead of
Yeah,
dictionary.
normal string also we
Okay.
can.
Okay, fine.
Normal
Thank you.
string also we can.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Now, So one of the complex one. Okay, 1 second. Let me. Guys, give me 1 second. So in the real time, the JSONs will be like this complex JSON. Don't expect to ID name simple JSONs. Okay. Consider here in this case, I am having a object employee. Consider employee table. Okay. In this table, I am having multiple columns. Each column is having some features. Is the column is having a sensitive data? No. What is the column name? Employee number. Is it processed? Yes, it is processed. If the column name is having employee name, the employee number, employee name, is the sensitive data? Yes, it is having sensitive data. True. Okay, so that is one employee table. I have a database having multiple, so each one related I got the data like this. Okay, now my requirement is I want output. So I want output such a way that each, okay, table related, what are the sensitive columns? Sensitive flag is equal to true, right? So I want this one. Location. So for which column has sensitive data equal to true, those column names I want. Guys, requirement clear? How to do I will tell you. First requirement is clear or not.
Can you repeat, please?
Yeah, okay. I am having an object. Okay, see, I am having a dictionary. Dictionary contains key comma value pair. This is one key comma value pair. This is one key. The value is a list. In this list, I am having multiple columns. Okay, each column related behavior I have. So the column name is employee number. The column is having this flag sensitive. Is it a sensitive data or not? Okay, so it doesn't have a sensitive data. The value is false. Then employee name, which is having a sensitive data, so that's why it is true. For which columns the value is true, for which columns the value is true, I want those column names here. Employee name, location, department name, location. Okay, so first go to list, take each and every list, take this one. Okay, they key comma value pair, and then check the value. Take this one as an assignment. Try to check today. Okay, if not, tomorrow session I can explain this one. Okay, guys. Yeah, this is for today, guys. Dictionary I will share this one. Okay, okay. I will upload the
Thank you.
recording, guys. I will upload this one. Thank you.